They say life begins at 40. But what if I told you that a new opportunity also begins at 40? One that can give you income, flexibility, freedom, and a voice to inspire others. Are you 40 and above? This might be the perfect time for you to start a YouTube channel.
And it goes a little something like,
Oh, how can love you all summer and after I'll keep.
Hi everyone, my name is Edna. On this channel, I share personal growth, ways to create multiple streams of income, and freedom, especially for women and stay-at-home mom or anyone ready to build a better life. And today I want to talk about why I strongly believe that anyone 40 and above should consider having a YouTube channel. Are you 40 or above 40? Having a YouTube channel can create opportunities you never could imagine. Why should you have a YouTube channel at 40? Number one, you have life experience people need. One of the biggest advantage you have at 40 and above is experience. You will agree with me. You have lived life. You have learned lessons. You have gone through challenges and overcame them. And guess what? People are searching for exactly that. How you navigate through life. Many young people are looking for guidance. They are looking for answers to questions. They are asking for wisdom and real life advice from people who have experienced whatever it is they are going through, not just what is trending. Your story matters, your experience matters, your profession matters, your skills matters, and how you see life generally, it matters. People want to learn from you. People want to know how you navigate and you became successful in what you do. I remember those days when I started work. I used to ask an older lady in my place of work, "Mommy, how did you manage being a wife, being a mother, and a professional and a career lady as at that time?" And not just only her, I will ask many people around me that were successful, that have gone through what it was I was going through. At then, I just got married and I was working. I was, having to take care of children. So I learned from their experience, from how they plan their life, how they organize their life. And you too, you have gone through those, hurdles in life. So people want to learn from your experience. So that is why it's very essential. It's very important. Don't say you don't know anything. Like people will say, "What do I have to be talking about?" Talk about your experience. You need to have a YouTube channel to talk about your experience in life, your lessons in life, to teach the younger generation. Point number 2, YouTube is not just for young people. Many people think YouTube is only for young creators, but that is not true. There are many successful creators who started later in life and they have successfully built amazing platform by simply sharing their knowledge and experience in life. So what matters most is not your age. It is your message, your niche, and your consistency. You can never be too old to start a YouTube channel. Remember in the Bible days, like I used to tell people, God called Abraham at age 75 and he had a glorious life that we talk about today, that people emulate. So many businessmen today are old, but they are still pushing. They are even expanding, still looking out for businesses to invest in. They are always looking for opportunities for new businesses. So what about you? So starting a YouTube channel, a business you want to consider. For me, having people learn from your experience through YouTube is what imparting lives. So you want to impart lives. You have lived life with so much experiences, with so much lessons that you have learned. People want to learn from that. So you want to impart life by starting a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is not just for the young. It's for everybody who it can still think, people that can still comprehend. So have a YouTube channel and let the younger generation learn from your experience and from your knowledge. Another reason you want to start a YouTube channel, do you just retire? Or have you been working over the years and soon you will be retiring? And you are thinking, what will I be doing with my time when I eventually retire? How will I be able to get passive income? Many people love that. But do you know having a YouTube channel is an opportunity to see what earn? So what are we talking about? It can create income and opportunities that you never could imagine. YouTube today is more than just videos. It is an opportunity, a platform, call it a school, a university, opportunity for multiple streams of income. Through YouTube, people are building personal brand. You can build a brand, have your own brand, create digital businesses. There are digital businesses online. It's having a YouTube channel can create for you. Any income online, for somebody over 40 and above, you may be looking for extra source of income, talking about passive income, flexibility, or a new direction. So having a YouTube channel can be life-changing. Start a YouTube channel today to create that opportunity for yourself. Another one for more income possibility. Like I, for example, I belong to a high-ticket digital business. So having a YouTube channel helped me to discover so many things I never knew I could do online. Before you start, you may not know how far you can go or YouTube channel can take you. You just start it and you will understand what I'm talking about. So point 4, having a YouTube channel will give you a voice and a purpose. Have you ever felt people don't listen to you? Do you sometimes wish you can change the world and make it a better place than it is? Starting a YouTube channel can give you that opportunity to air your views and thoughts. It is not just about making money. It gives you a voice, a platform to inspire others, a platform to tell the world how you feel about certain issues and certain circumstances of life. So you want to share your journey. You want to help people who are going through what you have already overcome. You want to help them. They are out there searching for answers. You don't know what your answer can do to that person out there looking for solutions to that problem. So there is something powerful about knowing your life can impact someone else. You have learned 1 or 2 lessons from others. Could be on ground, physically, or online. So you don't want to see people making the same mistake you once made, or people going through life in a struggle when you know you have the answer. So YouTube channel will help you have a voice and a purpose. So if you are that person, you have been thinking about starting something new, or you are looking for a new way to create another source of income, talking about passive income, or another way to start another business for passive income, you want to consider starting a YouTube channel. You are not too old. It is never too late. So in closing, are you 40 and above? Don't let fear, don't let doubt, don't let age stop you from doing what you want to do. Start where you are. Use what you have and take that first step to start your own YouTube channel. People want to hear from you. You want to teach this generation. You want to help to instruct. You want to help to correct. You want to help to inspire. You want to help to entertain. You want to help to educate. What do you know? Everybody has something in them. You have a gift. You have a talent that the world want to see. And also they want to hear your own view about issues that are going on in the world. So start a YouTube channel. With that, we come to the end of today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you want to subscribe. You want to like my video. You want to share so that others who want the same answers as you will also view it and be inspired. So I remain your sister in faith and in purpose, Edna. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.